connected transcription. Okay? Telling a little about my family and my work. Good night, everyone. It is difficult to say about single topic is especially in this terrible situation that we are living in the world. But we but cannot, but we cannot think badly, badly and say that this will end some, because that is not the case. The reality is that this is lived now by many more years. But I know that we will, uh, that we will fight to stop, that we will fight to stop this pandemic. Despite the isolation, my family and my work are the most important thing I have at the moment. I have always want to give a uh, better better quality of life to my wife and children. This war has been a blessing to our lives. God, God has always been there for us and has allowed us to move to move forward and fight for our dreams fight fight for our dreams. It is difficult fightful of many obstacles, but together we together we have been able to get ahead. I love my job, my desert, and my preference, my profession, a primary school teacher. I remember how I have fun at the school when I play we when I play with my student class. I love teaching my student the value 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 living and growing as human beings. I understand this life will not be the same because this by this virus by virus is dangerous for everyone. As people must be aware of taking care of uh very much aware of taking care of ourselves and self and myself, always pre- protecting our ourself 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 ourselves especially. We must take care of our children, father, mother, and grandparents. I still remember as my student used to say used used to say, "Here come the teacher Eduardo to teach the new English class." And thus my miss that moment, and thus its experiences live in the classroom. I I just have to go back to my gay workers and in and um, enjoy the wonderful classes and school again.